Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress very easily using just a few clicks using cPanel. For this demonstration I am using HostGator. They use a web server program called cPanel, which you have probably heard of. A lot of hosting companies use cPanel, so there's a high chance that yours does too. And even though things look a little bit different, the procedure is about the exact same. I actually dare to say that this tutorial could work even if your hosting company doesn't have cPanel, because the steps are so simple that you will probably find it useful. Anyway, let's get started. So within cPanel, you have to find what they call the one-click installs. It might have a similar name. Once again, the layout might be a little bit different because cPanel can be customized. In this case, HostGator made it all blue and nice looking, but the steps are going to be the same. I already said that. So we're going to click on WordPress. And what we're going to do is that we're going to select the domain. What I did was I created a subdomain. So basically, instead of mysite.com, it's going to be demo.mysite.com. So I'm gonna go ahead and select my domain. Once I have my domain selected, what I'm gonna do is to click on next. Now notice that there's an extra field, directory. This is if you want to install WordPress in another directory, and then your URL is going to be demo.mywebsite.com/blog. I believe most people are not going to use this setup, and I highly encourage you that not to mess around with it. So we're going to click on next, and the next step is to fill out the information about the blog and stuff. So we're going to do that, sample blog, and then admin user. Instead of using admin or administrator or your name or your company name, something that can be guessed just by looking at your website, don't use it. Trying to use something that's more secure. In this case, I'm going to use admin hustler for no particular reason. And then I'm going to put my name, and then add an email that it's going to be used by your website to direct everything to it. If somebody makes a comment and that sort of thing. So make sure that that's an email that you're going to access frequently. Then make sure that the boxes are ticked. If you see 1, 2, or 3, make sure that you follow the instructions that are there. But the most important one right now is the automatically create a new database for this installation. So WordPress files need to work with a database, and that's what that's for. So we're going to click on install. And HostGator literally takes a few seconds just to install WordPress. So while that's happening, I'm going to open a text edit. Wonderful. So what we're going to do is that we're going to copy and paste this information, and we're going to make sure that we keep this information handy. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and copy the username. View my installs is I'm not going to click on that, but basically that's a window where you can uninstall this. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to click on login. Takes a few seconds. It's super fast, guys. So admin hustler, and then my password, which is right here. You can change the password if you want, but you cannot change the username, just so you know. And boom, there you have it. Here's our WordPress blog ready to go, ready for you to customize. The last thing I need to know, or that I need to let you guys know, is if you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments below. If you're watching these on YouTube, make sure that you join our free Facebook group where we help you with any questions that you have, and with a ton of content and a lot of goodies, all related to WordPress. So with this, I conclude this presentation, and make sure that if you're on YouTube, subscribe, because there are gonna be more videos coming your way. Thank you. Bye-bye.